Look how beautiful it is.
It is really beautiful, isn't it? Are you ready to do the review?
Yes.
The brand sent this to me to share with you my honest opinions. And we're gonna hear some from Evie here too.
Here we go. Today we are going to...
What is this?
It's a fan. This is how we open it, and look how beautiful the covering is.
Let's show them up close. Okay, first of all, this is a fan by OMyTea, and it's a beautiful embroidered fan with gorgeous decorations.
Don't just open it this way, because then it will stay closed. Open it sideways like that.
Mm-hmm.
You hold it from the bottom like this.
Mm-hmm. Is that giving a lot of airflow?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, here.
And this is how you close it. If you just close it fast, you have a little wiggle and push it in like that.
Is it easy to open and close?
If you try it, it might be hard at first, but it's easy for me.
I'm gonna show them up close, the detail, the beautiful artwork detail. Look how nicely this is constructed. Let's check out some of the wind power, okay? Pretty nice.
Yeah.
Ooh, that is nice. So nice. When would you use this?
On a hot day, even if you need ice cream.
And if I needed to put it in a bag with a bunch of other stuff in it, would this come in handy?
Yeah, it's beautiful. And don't just put it in that side. Put it in this side.
Why? Because you don't want to wrinkle the tassel?
Yeah.
It has this nice little tassel on it. That's a fun touch, isn't it?
Yep.
I'm going to show you this tassel detail up close. This swings back and forth on this. It can also twist around, so you really can like actually hook this onto something and carry it around with you that way. Do you like carrying this around with you?
Yep.
So what do we think? Do we recommend this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Beautiful, portable, a fun alternative to some of the more tacky fans out there today.
I hope that was helpful.